What's up, everybody? Nolan of Black Diamond Services. So today's video is a little bit about how I get my day started. As you can tell, open up the doors so we can get both vans out and my daily routine. So starting out by turning on the machine. You always want to make sure that it's going to start because you never know if you're going to get a dead battery. So that's my first step. And then after that, you let it run just for a minute and then turn it off and then double check and make sure everything you need. So come out and double check your chemistry. Do we have everything we need? Yes. No. If not, then get yourself set up by refilling all your chemistry, checking your fluids. So I check the oil in the machine, make sure it's still at the correct level. That way I'm not starting it to cause problems. So you can see here, I checked to make sure the oil level was great. It's still normal, so we're fine. I'm getting close to needing to switch the oil to some new oil, but otherwise that's my daily routine. Check chemistry, and eventually I actually have a video that I started putting together because I'm reorganizing because I got a couple new shelves of this area, and the goal is to have everybody drive through here, stop right in front of here, refill their chemistry at the end of the day. That way they're good to go in the morning. So the new routine will be basically starting the van up, the machine up, making sure no dead batteries every morning, and then you'll be set to go. You just have to jump in and take off out these big doors. So that's how I got everything rolling and how I'm going to get things rolling eventually. Once that's all organized and set to go, I just need a little bit more downtime so I can get that going. But I figured some of you guys might like to see that, how we do things in the morning. Of course, gas up if needed, and then be out on your way to your route and start getting things rolling. Hopefully this is something useful to you guys. It's what I've done over the years, even when I worked for somebody else. You know, most of the time we'd fill up in the morning if we got back a little late, and they call it the depot was closed because the person there that worked it was, you know, already off work or whatever it may be. Then you just filled up in the next morning, which isn't a big deal. But my goal is to have it all set up so that way when you get back from your route, you can just roll through that roll-up door and grab what you need and then park your van and be done for the day. And then that way in the morning, if there's an issue, like say the battery's dead, you're now not having to fill up your chemistry and deal with a dead battery, whereas it's just a dead battery. So it's one less thing off your plate to worry about in case of an issue like that. So hopefully this has been useful. Nolan with Black Diamond Services. Have yourself a great day.